When we began dreaming of this hospital, it was never about just making a bigger building. It was about creating a space dedicated entirely spine care. Stavya Spine Hospital was established in 2004 with 2 operation theatre and 6 beds. Today, we have 116 beds with 6 operation theatres and well-equipped machines and technology in operation theatre, in radiology and physiotherapy center. We have dedicated team of spine surgeons, efficient team of physiotherapists, and efficient team of physician and neurophysician and neurosurgeon here. This is the center where every patient can get world-class service with every facility under one roof. In last 21 years, we have treated almost more than 250,000 patients with utmost care, empathy and compassion.
With phase 2 of the Stavya, what we are creating is the largest hospital in Asia of spine dedicated care. It's not about the scale what we are talking. We are talking about an ecosystem of spine care where training, surgeries, conservative treatment, research all goes parallel. Best in spine has been cold-feeted for me since few months now, but we are heading towards a dream, and I'm sure that with the divine there, we will be paying forward.
When I began my journey back in 1997, after returning from England, I started with limited resources. Spine surgery was not a specialty at that time, but there was commitment from my end to provide the best care to our patient for the spinal ailment and spinal problems. Stavya was born in 2004 as a commitment and consistent treatment, and that has given the best spine care in Ahmedabad in the spinal ailments. We have catered more than 3 lakh patients and operated more than 25,000 surgeries over these years from 2004. So it shows the commitment of Stavya team for our patient care, and over these 2 decades, we have transformed many lives surgically and non-surgically. Team building has occurred from 1 surgeon to 6 surgeons, 6 trainee fellow doctors and 16 spine associates, and we have been able to provide the best care along with the allied spinal ailments and spinal other branches.
સ્તવ્યમાં સર્જરીને ક્યારેય પ્રાથમિક ઓપ્શન આપવામાં આવેલ નથી. સ્તવ્યની અંદર 90% દર્દીઓને અમે કન્ઝર્વેટિવ કેર, જેની અંદર ફિઝિયોથેરાપી અને રિહેબિલિટેશન અને એડવાન્સ ફિઝિયોથેરાપીના માર્ગદર્શન થ્રુ ટ્રીટ કરતા હોઈએ છીએ. સર્જરીનો ઓપ્શન ત્યારે આપીએ છીએ જ્યારે દર્દી અને તેમના પરિવારજનોને સર્જરી પહેલાંના એટલે કે ફિઝિયોથેરાપી અને અધર ઉપચારોની અંદર સફળતા કે નિષ્ફળતા મળી હોય તે પ્રમાણે આગળ સારવાર ધરતા હોઈએ છીએ. અત્યારે સ્તવ્ય સ્પાઇન ટીમ, સ્પાઇન સર્જન્સ અને આ બધા જ ટીમ સાથે મળીને નવા દ્રષ્ટિકોણ અને પાયાના સિદ્ધાંતોને ધ્યાનમાં રાખીને એસઓપીઝના માર્ગદર્શન હેઠળ સ્તવ્યની અંદર કન્ઝર્વેટિવ કેર અને સર્જિકલ કેરમાં આગળ વધી રહી છે.
For me, Stavya has always been for providing the safe and ethical spine care.
Today, we strive at achieving this safe and ethical spine care with talent, technique and technology. We strive to achieve the world's best spine institute in the near future. So spine surgery is evolving very quickly, and Stavya is evolving with it too. We use robotics, AI, open MRI and a lot of other technologies which we have integrated in Stavya for providing world-class spine care. We integrate all the technologies and techniques and experience that we have together in systems and protocols. These are SOPs that are very specific for Stavya, and this is known as the Stavya Way.
When the Stavya team first came to me for the designing of this particular project, we thought, let us not create a building, but let us create a future of spine care, and let us create a state-of-art kind of a facility to provide utmost comfort to the patients, and that will be the core kind of value created within the overall vision. So we started with that, looking at the kind of a scale we are operating at. We found it a bit difficult at times, but finally with the kind of efforts put in by all the teams, we were able to create this fantastic kind of facilities what you can see right now. And once that project is going to complete in both the phases, it will be one of the best in India as well as in